Switch
Oh,
over to game.cpp. We're going to
okay, I'm going to try a test here, with a microphone and see if this microphone can pick up the audio from the TV and my voice too.
expect to see a goddamn lot of red because it's no longer going to be, poo0x, right? It's now going to be poo0.x, and the same for all the other variables. So that's a lot of shit to change. I'm going to show you a little trick. So we could obviously do something like poo0x, find poo0x and replace with poo0.x. And that would work for all of our poo0x's, but we'd have to repeat the same process for poo1 and poo2, and then for y and all the other things. It's going to be a pain in the ass. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on something called regular expressions, and this is going to supercharge our find and replace. Now if we replace the 0 with 0, 1, 2 in square brackets, that is going to match poo0x, but also poo1x and poo2x. The only problem with this is if we click replace, it's going to replace all of these ones with poo0, and we don't want that. If we match a poo1, we want to replace it with poo1x. Well, we can do that. First thing we do is we capture. We put parentheses around the expression that we want to remember. So when we make a match, we want to remember whether it's a 0, 1, or a 2. So we put parentheses around here, and then in the replacement, we recall the captured thing by typing $1, and that means replace here with the first capture in the search expression. And then if we replace all, we see that it all gets nicely fixed up here. All the poo0, poo1, and poo2.x. And we can do the same for y and all the other stuff. These guys, they get a little fucked up as you can see, but it's not a big deal because we're going to be replacing this quite soon. So as you can see, we can replace the old variables with the object.member notation, and everything will work exactly the same. But we're not done yet.
Okay, but yeah, that's got that. And I also wanted to remind you too, that if you hold Alt, you can vertically select things. So, and do like deletes and replaces, etc. So, anyway,